guys, thanks for coming to check out this video of how I turned this into this. It was a bit of like an art therapy for me because I don't normally do abstract painting, so I wanted to give that a go. And I've always wanted to try out how to, if you can paint on top of store-bought prints that are like pre-framed like this one, because I love the frame on this, but I wasn't hugely phased on the original like palm leaf print. It just doesn't speak to me. So I wanted to do something that was bright and abstract and easy and quick. So this only took me a couple of hours and minimal products, just a palette knife, a couple of brushes and some acrylic paint. But I will warn you that first I had to prime it. So I primed it with gesso and it took 3 layers to cover it up. But if this is something that you're interested in doing, where you've seen a frame that you love, but you're not so phased on the print, I recommend giving it a go. It's really fun, and like I said, it's like a therapy. It's like calming, and you can lay it on chunky and you don't have to make things perfect to get something bright and impactful for your walls. So this is a great DIY and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you give it a go, please let me know or leave a comment or tag me at Draw with Torryn on Instagram so I can see what your artwork looks like. But yeah, so this is it, and now I will get on with the video and show you how I achieved it in under a couple of hours.